Hi everyone, this is a really special week for us here at Star Labs because the first StarFighters have finally arrived. So today we just wanted to give you a look inside the box so you can see what you get and also what the final product actually looks like. So we just open it up here. So we've had the packaging redesigned slightly so you can see some writing in here. There's a QR code that takes you directly to our support centre where there'll be articles and also how you can contact support. And then we have a little bit of writing which just says what Star Labs really stands for. So, quick start guide and some safety instructions. And then here we have the StarFighter. And it comes in this nice black box here. So if we open this up, we have the StarFighter in a protective sleeve to keep it safe during transit. Now there's 3 variants of the StarFighter, the Standard, the AMD and the Ultra. They all share the same core design, but they just differ in their performance profiles. So it really depends what sort of workload you're targeting. Okay, so this is a 16-inch display which has a taller aspect ratio than the traditional 16 by 9-inch screens, which just gives you extra height, which can make things like coding, writing, general productivity easier. The chassis, I'll show you the keyboard and got the haptic trackpad there. So the chassis is a micro-arc magnesium alloy, which means it strikes a good balance between durability, weight, and also thermal performance. And then we have on the sides, we have various ports, which were discussed in another video. I'll show you that side. Underneath there. And this is one of the great privacy features. So this is the webcam here, which again, stick that on. There we go, clips on quite easily. Pop that away. And the Wi-Fi wireless kill switch, so that kills wireless and Bluetooth instantly. And then also in the box you get the accessories. So as standard it comes with a charger, a 2-meter cable, there's the charger. As standard it's a US adapter, 2-meter cable, and then for UK, Europe and Australia it just clips on like that. So that was just a quick overview of the StarFighter so you could see what's in the box, what it looks like. We'll be doing some more videos in the coming days and weeks. We've had requests for what the camera quality is like, the speakers, the microphone, and anything else you'd like to see, just let us know in the comments and we will try and do that for you. Thank you.